Number 13, you're given a table. This table is representing a yoga place that has a fixed cost and a monthly cost. They tell you it's linear, and you could read that paragraph, but I would say don't, and understand if this is linear, then this is X and this is Y. So I can get the slope. You have to determine what is the equation of this line given A, B, C, or D, right? So the first step would be I would scan all the slopes. The slope of this line is 4, the slope of this line is 1, the slope of this is 10. So if I can figure out the slope, which is this, right, minus the Y value, over this minus this. But in this problem, it's so easy, why don't we just plug in, right? So if I plug in 4x, if I get x, I'm supposed to get this for y, right? This is my x, this is my y. But if I plug in 4 into the A choice, what do I get for y? I get 16. That's not right, right? If I plug in 4 for x here in this equation, what do I get? I should get 8 for y, because this is y equals, right? And that's not right. If I plug in 4 into this equation, I get 40 plus 495. Do I get 4495? Wow, that looks pretty good, right? So let's check one more. Let's just make sure this one's wrong. If I plug in 4 for x, I get 80 plus 1095. That's 9095. Is that 4495? No. All right, so the only one, before I even did any calculations, the plug-in gave you the right choice. But let's do it real quick, right? So if we're going to get the slope of this, what are we going to do? We're going to do 124.95 minus, right? That's a y minus the y value, 84.95, over the x minus the x value. So that's 12 minus 8, right? What is this? 24.95 minus 84.95. That looks like it's just $40, right? 40. I should get my calculator. And then this is going to be 12 minus 8, which is what? Which is just 4. And 40 divided by 4, right, equals 10, right? 10, which is the slope of this line. So it took like a minute, no, not that much, maybe 30 seconds, 40 seconds, but the plug-in would have given you the answer in 10, right?